Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get an always-on display for your iPhones using an app called oledx, and then just using a shortcut if you guys want to do it like that. It's very easy and simple to use. All you have to do is go over to the App Store, and I'll have a link for you guys to download this. All you have to search this for is oledx. If you guys need the link, it'll be in the description as well as in the comment section down below for a direct link to this application. But you can go ahead and download this application, and this is what it will look like here. Once you have it, you'll be brought to this screen right here. So if you just click on your screen and click on settings, you'll see there's a couple of different settings that you guys can change within this application if you would like to. Now you guys can click on change screen icon, and there's lots of different icons you can click on. So say for example, I wanted to do the game controller, I can go ahead and do that. As well as an analog clock. If you wanted an analog clock, you can turn that off here or turn it on here if you would like to. But yeah, there's a couple different features that are only available for the oledx premium members. So if that's not going to be you, then you don't have to worry about that. But this is basically what we can do in here. We could either have the analog clock on or we can switch it back. Very simple. Now, there is a couple different options you guys can do with this. Now, if you guys go into shortcuts and click on shortcuts, you can create a shortcut for this to always come on whenever you plug your phone into charge. So if you guys are interested in that, you just stay tuned for this. Otherwise, you can just keep the application on your screen, and whenever you're done with your phone, you can just go ahead and open up this. And if you have an iPhone with the OLED display, then you'll be good to go. It'll only be using these pixels in the middle that you have turned on, so it will save a lot of battery. So if you want to learn how to turn this on whenever you plug your phone in, just stay tuned. I'll show you guys how to set up a shortcut for that. So all you want to do is go over to shortcuts, and you want to go to automation. You then want to go up to the top right corner and click on the plus icon, and then you want to click on create personal automation. You want to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on charger, and then just make sure it is connected. Once that is done, just click on next, and then I'm going to click on add action, scripting, open app. And then when it asks you to choose an app to open, you just want to click on choose and then click on oledx. So we just have to search for oledx here and click on that. Once that is done, we can click on next. And then this is what we want to disable right here. Ask before running. We want to make sure we disable that, or else it will ask us every time we plug in our phone if we want this to run. We don't want that to happen. We just want it to run automatically. So we're going to turn off ask before running and then click on done. Now, I'm just going to quickly personally make sure I don't have any other one turned on, as I do this a lot. And now if we go ahead and plug our phone in, that should come up for us. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug in my phone. And as you guys see, right when my phone is plugged in, it then pops this up right here for our always on display. So let's just do that one more time, and I'll unplug it and plug it back in. And as you guys see, it works great and comes on right away for us. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to turn on the always on display and get this working with your shortcuts. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.